What's up, guys? Got our boy Kez right there. Another homie, Russell. You already know, Too Real. He just did some upgraded stockies on here. Fresh oil pan. So, my boy got a good project this week. And it's a single turbo E90. The most common issues, the motors. Kaboom. Left the chat. So, it's gonna be a little video on my boy doing a full motor swap on the most common thing, you know? The killers. Clean E90. I don't want to open the door. It might have it dirty. Nigga Danny's helping me. Jake, little hum. He does detailing as well. Got his one in here. He's putting his turbo back on, I believe. And he just did some carbon fenders on it. Crazy. I wish I had those for E90s, because I would have for sure copped already. Just like that. Okay, got the motor out. They're about to now pull all the accessories off of this one. Get everything for new gaskets. And then they're about to assemble this one. Like I showed you guys earlier in the video. This is the new motor that's gonna go in. When the car is fully upgraded, it takes more time to disassemble. Which in this case, this car had the single turbo. So, PI.
Yeah.
How was it, Kev?
N54.
Easy, too easy, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
You don't even have to ask anymore.
Just know? Yeah.
It's N54, man. Come on.
Waiting on Mr. Jake to finish his car. Another single turbo. And then another POS single turbo. This is the rally car. I got D over here working on his. There?
What's the bucket?
Pretty much he swapped out the relay. You just did, you got a different type or you got the same exact one?
No, it's the same one. Hopefully this one lasts a little longer.
Hopefully. You should throw heat tape on top of it.
On the Rita?
Yeah. Just like cover this spot with heat tape. Or a little piece.
Yeah, no, I released it and redo all the stuff.
M50 swap?
No, it's gonna be a big supercharger right here pretty soon.
Hopefully. That would be nice. I'll pop back up, give you guys more of an update once this motor is fully assembled and they're about to assemble that one.
Buenos nachos. Motor. There's this car right here behind you. I'll put back together. Y'all saw that previous clip. We were taking it out. There's the new one put back together. Pretty much ready to go. Just water pump, thermostat. We should be ready to go. Heat tape, of course. Single turbo stuff. Yeah. A little dirty right now. You can tell all his parts on the floor. But that's about to go back in. So put it back together right now. You got Danny over here being a chef.
Yeah. I'm the supervisor for the day. Just relaxing. Look.
He's supervising eggs. Oh, we got Jake right here. We're gonna take a little ripper. He's taking a rip. Ooh, good rips.
Yep, good rips.
What is your karma?
Got the Doc Race kit. Just put on the downpipe right here. We're gonna switch it to a single bank. We've been burning out O2s on the Doc Race kit. Just put the turbo on, all the intercooler lines, oil feed, oil drain. About to put the vacuum lines, and that's about it. Just put the carbon fiber fenders on. Shit's looking clean, sir. Full E85, X clutch done by Too Real. Sir, RTD shifter, the carbon cover, Mint interior. Only way. Carbon trunk. Got some welds on the back. Some little neatos. Need some new tires though on those. Some Mickey T's. Alright. Almost done with it right now though. Just need to put the downpipe on from the bottom. Connect the vacuum lines. Get that single bank. Flash it on MHD. Should be good.
I'm out here supervising the food, you know, supervising my boy Danny.
Yeah.
Make sure he getting down.
Yes, sir. It's only right. Because if it's wrong, then you're gonna get beat up.
I keep get packed out.
And we also don't want to wake up with the poopies.
No, sir. It's all over expensive right now. But yeah, as y'all can see, we got a couple little projects going down. Justin, focus. Old motors on the floor. This one should be put back together pretty soon. Got another big 5 series. Getting some little work done. But yeah, we'll catch back up with you guys in a little bit. Once some motors in, we'll catch back up with y'all.
All right, guys. So this is in the video. We took a break. Well, my boy Kev took a break from the E90 process. You already know. We got some huge improvements coming to the shop from our boy right here, Mr. Epoxy. He's gonna redo from this side all the way this way. Redo the whole floor. So this is gonna be a whole transformation going down on here.
Yes, sir. We're gonna make it happen. Let's do it.
Yeah.
It's gonna look crazy in there, man. The homie Epoxy right here in the building. Give a shout out to yourself, buddy.
Like right here, we got a floor going down tomorrow. Stay tuned. This shit's gonna be crazy. Huge transformation. It's not even like the same watch.
That's crazy.
So we're gonna do like a little time lapse of us sliding everything over.
We can move everything over.
So we could get this side ready. We're gonna end the day.
That's crazy.
Boom. Just like that. Everything literally moved over there. And then they're gonna put plastic all across just to protect that car. We gotta make sure nothing happens to customers' cars. We got this jumbotron, blow everything away. Let's scope out this floor. Look at that.
I'm telling you, you go get that at Walmart, they have that tape and that pudding. Go to the real quick.
That's crazy. This floor is about to transform me. Transform me. Good eats.
He blows good.
No cat. Oh, nope. You better get to the stepping, buddy. Damn, that thing really.
Some power.
You seen all that?
Yeah, like 350 horsepower.
Okay. This is behind the scenes.
This is the hard work nobody sees.
We've been slaving away.
Home renovation vlogs.
Home renovation for real.
The boys taking out the whatever the hell that thing is.
Some straight fucking cowboy shit.
Some cowboy 1980s ass.
Hey, language, buddy.
Relax, Mr. NASCAR checker flag.
This is my finish line, no cap, after my food.
You would take your shit and say good job.
Am I recording for this, bro?
Yeah, that's good.
Slowly. Slow.
The line's still there.
Get it in real quick, just. You gotta push the bottom like hold on. You gotta.
On the training line.
Give you guys an update. This is how the floor is looking. Right here. These are some holes that they're filling in right now. What's Bondo? Look at Daniel over there patching the holes. So they could do one more sand across all these holes and then primer, and then hopefully the e-carts is not done. Just wanted to give you guys, you know, a little show and tell update. You guys see the difference already. Huge transformation. Engine, trans is in this car already. I wish you guys in there, but Kevin has it up.
We're taking a breather right now, man.
Yeah, I figured. Pretty bad over there. Hey, pop your head, bro, please.
We're trying to expose them.
Latch don't work.
I can make the latch work. We're BMW technicians for a reason.
No latch, bro.
Hey, Kevin. Well, we'll keep you guys updated.
I'm gonna squeeze this out real quick. You know, I just remember I gotta tape up and get some.
Oh man, I was gonna say, where's the packy at?
I'm gonna do a full, we're gonna make some thoughts.
This is the last time this car's gonna be like this. We're gonna finally get the full wrap and everything done. I'm excited for this shit. And just like that, the floor is officially done. Our boy Epoxy right there, the one that actually did it, came out good. As you can see, textured all throughout. Your true opinions on it?
I think it's pretty fire, honestly. I already made a mess on it, I'm sorry. But it's my floor, what can I do about it? Yeah, it looks good. It's a good mess. It's working, but honestly, it's very good. Just getting these turbos done, though. Check this out. Just replacing some stockies. That's it.
I have a white hat under here.
Yeah, you can't. It's a work zone. You can't even be on this side, actually, buddy. You gotta stand behind that line. It's enforced right there. There's an imaginary line right here.
You want to tell us exactly your thoughts on the process of doing this, since you are the installer?
Honestly, it's pretty easy. I have all the, all the machines and everything, so it's pretty easy. It only took like 2 days, light process. Hey, but metallic floors, I do metallic floors too. The marble designs, those go hard. But this is like more like economical. It's like the cheapest one I offer basically. But the metallic floors, those are a little bit more pricey, but they look clean. They're nice. They're nice. But I'll be posting more content. So
I hope
so you guys will see more floors.
Oh, and just so you guys know, hold on. Just so you guys know, don't judge and shit. The other side's getting done. Don't trip. The other side is getting done. That shit is for sure getting done. We just had to do one
Maybe
side.
metallic for her.
Nah, we're gonna do the same colors. I'm gonna do the same shit.
Do
But
a red
we
plate,
were
do a red
just
plate.
had to do the half side and then move all the other shit this way, and then we're gonna do that side. That's how it's gonna go down though. But yeah, we're doing the other side. We're putting new baseboards. We're making the new restroom and shit. Yeah, we're just trying to make a good presentable mechanic shop, you know? Gotta look clean, bro. Can't be looking dirty out here, man. That's not the way.
Your garage, houses,
Anything.
barbershops, liquor
Whatever.
stores, anything.
Your little bedroom
Yeah, your room,
and whatever.
your dog's house.
The dog's house.
The restroom is considered nothing anymore. Nothing. Literally nothing. On this side, my boy D, we're doing a turbo swap on a 535i, which, let me tell you guys, especially cars that come from like up north that are full of rust, it's a pain. But pretty much this is the rear turbo. Hopefully we'll have it done tomorrow. We just hit the rear turbo. We got a little 335i turbo on that 535. We got our boy Marcus's car. The annoying orange. That's what I'm calling this food. But motor, trans, everything's in. The turbos are in. Good stockies. So we'll see what's cracked once. It should be done by the end of this week. If I'm not mistaken. This video's gonna be all over the place, my boy, but what are we up to this morning, buddy?
We got this N55, 335, going on a Pure 500.
Little-
Upgrade.
Yeah, a little stock
This
up.
stock OEM replacement pretty much does make a little more power, but you do retain the stock manifold that comes with the car. So all you gotta do is take off the old one, as we have
Right here.
somewhere right here. Oh, it's in the box. Pull everything off. They are going with the Turbo Smart Compact diverter valve upgraded. This kit does come from Pure. We do get Pure Turbo, so if you guys need some, let us know. Yeah, we'll put it back together, put it back in the car, and this car should be ready. It also is getting all new gaskets. It will come to the whole install kit, so we'll go ahead and put that on as well. We'll get it put together right now for you guys.
Yep. Here in it. And then everything on the bottom is pretty much ready for the new turbo to go back in once it's together. So we'll just give you a little update once it's in. So just took off the housing. That's how everything looks. I'm guessing they put RTV or something before. But yeah. New gasket on. Area got cleaned. Had a bunch of RTV, which isn't good, but got that done and we'll put that back together.